I tried smart glasses with a built-in display, and they beat my Meta Ray-Bans in key ways, because the Rokid Glasses, which are now launching through Kickstarter with a retail price of $599, are doing something truly different by introducing built-in displays that project textual information such as a teleprompter, AI responses, translations, and more, which instantly makes them stand out from the current AI wearables market of 2025. And while their 12MP camera sensor might leave something to be desired, and while they require a stable internet connection for most of their functions to work, the overall user experience feels next-gen and far more advanced than what Meta Ray-Bans currently offer. And this is where Mark Zuckerberg's quote about being at a cognitive disadvantage if you're not wearing AI glasses in the future starts to feel less like an investor pitch and more like a hint at where the tech industry is headed. Because after retesting the Meta Ray-Bans this summer and then trying out the new Rokid glasses, my skepticism has quickly shifted toward excitement. Since these glasses are proof that the future of wearable AI is not just about listening, but also about seeing. And that's where Rokid's biggest advantage comes in thanks to their micro LED waveguide displays, which suggests that the real breakthrough innovation in smart glasses is happening in the visual domain, allowing wearers to discreetly view live projections of text, responses, and navigation right in front of their eyes without drawing attention. And unlike Meta Ray-Bans, which focus heavily on photo and video capture, Rokid's approach feels more productivity-driven, like giving you an invisible second screen anywhere you go, whether you're working, traveling, or commuting. And speaking of commuting, when I wore them from Times Square to downtown Brooklyn, I was surprised by how stealthy they looked, because with their glossy black frames, rubber nose pads, and classic optical design, no, one gave me curious glares or sharp looks, which shows just how subtle they are despite housing advanced tech. And while I was immersed in green monochrome projections on inside, the people outside couldn't notice a thing, almost like living in a double reality, which is why these glasses could be game-changing for those who want the power of AI without shouting to the world that they're wearing futuristic tech. And the interface itself is smartly designed with a 3-carousel layout that rotates between the voice assistant, settings, and text features. And at one point while scrolling through the green projections, I honestly felt like Morpheus from The Matrix might show up. And although he didn't, what did show up were genuinely impressive features like a teleprompter that scrolls in real time as the built-in microphones pick up your spoken words, making it perfect for presentations, content creation, or even practicing speeches. And then there's a live translation tool, powered by ChatGPT, that detects what language is being spoken to you or captured by the camera and immediately translates it, which can be life-changing for travelers, business professionals, or anyone navigating multilingual environments. And this alone makes them feel more futuristic than Meta Ray-Bans, which still struggle with smooth multimodal performance compared to Rokid. And while Meta has upgrades in store, including features scheduled for September 17th, my hands-on time with Rokid already suggests they've leapfrogged ahead in practical utility, because it's one thing to record video or summon an assistant, but it's another level entirely to have textual, visual, and AI-powered overlays appearing right in front of your eyes, enhancing productivity, entertainment, and communication in ways traditional smart glasses cannot match. And yes, the 12MP camera isn't groundbreaking, and yes, you'll need strong connectivity to unlock their full potential, but those trade-offs feel minor compared to the leap forward their display technology brings. And when we compare them side by side with Meta Ray-Bans, the difference becomes clear. Meta's strength is its seamless integration with social sharing and casual wear, while Rokid's strength is in transforming everyday tasks into AI-assisted, visually enhanced workflows. And that's why their Kickstarter campaign has already generated buzz and excitement, because people are beginning to see how useful it can be to have an AI, teleprompter, instant translation, and voice-guided interactions built directly into something as discreet as glasses. And it raises big questions about how we define the future of AI wearables. Because if smart glasses can blend into our daily lives without looking futuristic or clunky, then adoption will be much easier. And the Rokid glasses prove this by being stylish enough to pass as normal eyewear, while delivering futuristic experiences. And when you think about it, the price of $599 is relatively affordable compared to other early-generation wearable tech like AR headsets or premium foldables. And although it's still an investment, it's far more accessible than devices costing thousands, which makes Rokid's positioning smart for attracting early adopters and tech enthusiasts. And while there's still room to improve things like camera quality, battery optimization, and offline functionality. The foundation is strong enough to pose a real challenge to established players like Meta, Samsung, and Apple, who are also working on their own AI and XR glasses. And as Samsung prepares its Galaxy glasses powered by Android XR, and as Meta continues to refine its Ray-Bans with more multimodal features, Rokid has already carved out a niche by focusing on display-based interactions, showing us that the future of AI glasses isn't just about capturing what's around you, but also about overlaying what you need right in front of you, making them useful not only for casual users, but also for professionals, creators, students, and anyone seeking to maximize productivity on the go. So the question now is how fast this technology will evolve, how soon competitors will catch up, and whether consumers will adopt AI glasses as a daily essential. Because if my experience with Rokid glasses is anything to go by, we are closer than ever to a world where wearing smart glasses isn't just optional but essential. And perhaps Mark Zuckerberg was right after all. Because without AI glasses, you may soon find yourself at a cognitive disadvantage, which is why the Rokid glasses are not only a rival to Meta Ray-Bans, but also a preview of the inevitable future, where our glasses don't just help us see the world, but also help us understand, navigate, and shape it. And that is why the Rokid glasses stand out as a milestone moment in wearable AI. And with their Kickstarter launch already drawing attention, it's clear they're here to challenge the status quo and set new standards for the industry, and I can't wait to see how they evolve further. But for now, they've already proven that smart glasses with built-in displays don't just work, they excel. And that's the kind of leap in technology that we'll continue covering here on TechVerse.